Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short video I want to show you if you run into a problem with your drive shaft, what are the symptoms, how does it sound. I was on a trail and the shaft, the CV joint basically got messed up. The problem that I see right now only happens in four-wheel drive. If you go in two-wheel drive, it's not an issue, but if you're in four-wheel drive, you'll hear these clicking sounds from the front side of the drive shaft. For me, I had 4-inch lift. I should have changed the drive shaft, but I knew that eventually I will do it, so I just wanted to wait. And here we are. Let me show you how it sounds. Let me roll down the window. So like I said, in two-wheel drive you will not hear this, so let me go ahead and put it in four-wheel and reverse, and now you will hear from the front. So here it is, the CV joint is a problem. Now you can go ahead and kind of fix the CV joint itself, but for me I opted to upgrade this anyways. I should have upgraded it when I lifted the Jeep, but I'm gonna do it right now. So let me show you what I went with. Here it is. I went with the Adams shaft, the heavy duty one, the extreme duty one. I mean, it's not as beefy as the other one, but it's definitely stronger, so that helps in saving space, and it has the joints and everything. So I give them the measurement. This is maintenance free. This should just definitely help me with the 4-inch lift that I have. I shouldn't have any drive shaft issues. So this is their 1350 CV joint axle, all the parts included. You do have to give them the measurement, and they throw in a free shirt also. Nice. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. So if you have a problem with your shaft, you know how it sounds like. It's not a big problem. You can still get you home. It's not an issue in two-wheel drive. In four-wheel drive, you will hear these clicking sound, but obviously you need to fix it. For me, I need to go to my friend's shop and install the new drive shaft, as well as the diff covers, and also re-gear to 513. Thanks.